You're cruising through a serene forest trail at night, your bike wheels lighting up like a scene straight out of Tron. Your gear is neatly stashed on a bike that looks ordinary, but secretly transforms into a cargo carrier. And every pothole you encounter feels like a gentle wave thanks to futuristic shock absorbers. Welcome to the dazzling world of futuristic bicycle gadgets, where practicality meets innovation in the most exciting ways possible. From tech-savvy upgrades to eco-friendly genius, these gadgets will redefine how we think about cycling. Curious? Stick around, because some of these might just blow your mind. No one magnetic micro lights. Let's start with a game changer, magnetic micro lights. Now, bike lights aren't new, but these lights are straight up sorcery. Why? No batteries, no wires, no fuss. These lights harness electromagnetic induction to power themselves as your wheels spin. Think of it as turning your bike into its own energy generator. The front lights glow a crisp white, while the back glows a vivid red. And here's the best part. They automatically switch on when you start pedaling and turn off when you stop. But what about durability, you ask? These lights are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, be it rain, snow, or dust. A commuter's dream and an environmentalist's win, because we're talking zero waste and zero power consumption. Plus, imagine how cool your bike will look glowing at night, effortlessly visible to everyone on the road. No 2, the transforming cargo e-bike. Next, meet the cargo bike that's anything but ordinary, the transforming cargo e-bike. At first glance, it looks like your everyday commuter bike, but the moment you need to haul heavy stuff, whether it's groceries, camping gear, or even furniture, it transforms. Literally, a few quick adjustments turn this sleek ride into a heavy-duty cargo carrier. The built-in electric motor does all the hard work, ensuring that you glide uphill or across long distances without breaking a sweat. Picture this. You're on a weekend trip, carrying your tent, food supplies, and a cooler. Normally, that's a logistical nightmare for a cyclist, but this bike makes it so seamless, you might even start volunteering to carry your friend's stuff too. It's like having a personal assistant on 2 wheels. No 3 vertical space-saving bike rack. Let's tackle a universal struggle for cyclists: storage. Raise your hand if you've ever tripped over your bike parked awkwardly in your garage or hallway. Enter the vertical space-saving bike rack. This genius device mounts your bike vertically against the wall, freeing up precious floor space. Here's how it works. Simply attach your bike's front wheel to the sturdy clamp, give it a gentle push, and watch as it gracefully moves into a vertical position. Not only does this keep your space clutter free, but it also protects your bike from accidental damage. Apartment dwellers rejoice. This rack is a lifesaver for those of us working with limited square footage. No 4 shock absorber seat mod. Every cyclist has been there, riding over uneven terrain, only to feel the wrath of every bump and pothole. It's not just uncomfortable, it can make long rides downright unbearable. But here's a solution that's so simple. It's genius. The shock absorber seat mod. Installed just under your bike seat, this device absorbs impacts like a pro, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Imagine gliding through a bumpy trail with barely a jolt. Commuters, off-road adventurers, and casual riders alike will appreciate how this gadget transforms their biking experience. No more aching backs or sore bottoms, just pure riding bliss. No 5, the smart bike with built-in tech. Now, let's shift gears and talk about bikes that are smarter than ever. The smart bike comes loaded with features like GPS navigation, speed tracking, and even a fitness tracker, all displayed on a sleek handlebar screen. Think of it as your cycling command center. Made from carbon fiber, it's lightweight but incredibly sturdy, perfect for zipping through traffic or taking on steep climbs. Plus, its design is optimized for speed, making it the Ferrari of bicycles. If you're someone who loves blending fitness with tech, this bike is a must-have. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. No 6, the Bright Lock. Ever wish your bike lock did more than just, well, lock? Meet the Bright Lock, a hybrid gadget that combines security and visibility. It's a front and rear lighting system and a heavy-duty lock rolled into one. Its modular design allows you to attach it seamlessly to your bike, so it's always there when you need it. Imagine parking your bike in a dimly lit area. Instead of fumbling with a flashlight, your bright lock keeps things illuminated while ensuring your bike is safe and sound. Practical, multifunctional, and undeniably stylish, it's the Swiss Army knife of bike accessories. No 7 interchangeable handlebars for compact storage. Let's talk about space again, but this time with a twist. Interchangeable handlebars are a game changer for cyclists who need to maximize space. These handlebars can be easily detached and reattached, allowing you to store your bike in even the tiniest nooks and crannies. Going on a road trip, remove the handlebars and pack your bike with ease. Need to save space in your apartment? Problem solved. And here's a bonus. You can swap them out for different styles, giving your bike a fresh look every time. No 8 camping tent attachment now. For the adventurers among us, this one's a treat. The camping tent attachment is a portable shelter that uses your bike frame as part of its structure. Lightweight and easy to set up, it's perfect for those impromptu camping trips or long-distance cycling adventures. Here's how it works. Flip your bike upside down, attach the poles to the wheels, and within minutes, you've got a sturdy tent ready to use. Whether you're exploring remote trails or just enjoying a night under the stars, this gadget turns any journey into a story worth telling. And there you have it, the incredible world of bicycle gadgets that are redefining how we ride, commute, and explore. From glowing wheels to transforming bikes, these innovations prove that cycling isn't just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. So, which gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that combines innovation, adventure, and a little bit of fun. Until next time, keep pedaling, stay curious, and ride into the future. This extended version adds more in-depth descriptions, relatable scenarios, and a touch of humor to make it feel like a documentary while keeping it engaging for viewers.